Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the error code 524 in Roblox. So as you guys might have faced this issue, the pop-up of this issue should look something like this, as you can see right over here, which is error code 524. So if you're facing this issue, let me show you how you can fix that. So let me show you how you can fix it. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply go to the Roblox site, then go to the website of Roblox, then log in with your ID, then just simply click on the gear icon over here, then go to settings, then click on privacy over here. Now scroll down and you will find other settings, and in other settings you will find two options, which is who can make me a member of their private server and who can join me in experience. So what you have to do is just simply click on the Dropbox icon under both of that option. Just simply click on the Dropbox, then choose everyone in both of them, and then just simply restart your computer and the issue should be fixed. So that's all, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.